Hi, this is Mike with Tractor Mike Q&A. Had a question today from Bill, and Bill's got an older Massey Ferguson with a backhoe and a loader, and he's hauling dirt down the hills. And he says, if I'm going down the hill and trying to stop the tractor, sometimes when I hit the brakes to slow down, it has a hard time stopping, and when it does stop, the gears sound like they're grinding. I'm new to this, and I'd like to know how to get some training. Bill, there's lots of things that scare me a little bit about this situation. First off, if you're going downhill forward, keep that load low. You've got the backhoe on the back to kind of keep your back end of your tractor on the ground, but if you didn't have that, your load in the front can offset the back wheels and lift the back wheels off the ground, and you can be out of control quickly. So if the backhoe is, I would recommend, if you're going down much of a hill, backing down with the load in the bucket, and then the geometry is different and you still have weight on your wheels and you won't get out of control. Now if you're going down the hill too fast and too fast a gear and you try to push in the brake, you're working against the engine, so that's not going to work. If you're going down the hill and you push in the clutch and then push in the brake, you could be out of control really quickly too, because the tractor's going to want a freewheel, gravity's going to take over, and down you go fast. So I'm a little concerned about what you're doing. I think the solution to your problem is to put that tractor in a really slow gear, slow speed, going down the hill. It may be slower than you really want, and just let the engine in four-wheel drive, and let the engine brake the tractor, and the four-wheel drive brake the tractor. Don't worry about the brake. If you try to brake against the engine, that's not going to work, and if you push in the clutch, you may be out of control quickly. So that all really scares me. If it were me doing it, I would back down the hill. If you have to drive forward though, put it in a really slow gear and let the engine do the braking, and just take your time and be safe. That's a dangerous thing, hauling weights down a hill. You want to keep your load in your bucket as low as you can. Don't have it up high, because that'll get you in trouble too. It's dangerous on a tractor taking a load up and down, well, not up hills, but down the hills. So just be careful, Bill, and I hope that helps and keeps you safe. Thanks for watching.